Happy birthday, 10 years old, very hard. Happy birthday, very hard. Happy birthday, very hard. Very hard. Happy birthday, my younger brother, and I have prepared a special gift for you. You are so cute and have such a magical talent. We are also proud of you. Little princess, today is your special day. Enjoy the cake and games to your heart's content. Very hard. Today you are the star of the Crystal Empire. We all cheer for you. Yes, happy birthday, my little one. May you be happy every day. This year is 10 years old. My birthday.